All right, as part of your investigation, you come up with an impression in your mind that this event was the alleged victim's first time having sexual intercourse.
At some point in the investigation, yes.
And prior to bringing it to screening to the prosecutor's office and prior to this case being filed, you did nothing to investigate that further.
No.
And that impression that you got in your mind colored your investigation.
No.
You didn't think that Parker was credible because he said she was on top. Do you remember putting that in your police report?
Yeah, I mean, I didn't get that impression until my interview with Parker.
Okay.
That's what I'm trying to say.
But it colored your impression of this case.
Yes.
All right. You heard how the alleged victim talked about how she disrobed, it sounds like, into a bra and underwear.
Yes.
Did you collect that bra and underwear?
I did not.
Did you ask her any further details about what that bra and underwear looked like?
I did not.
Did you ask for photos of the bra and underwear?
I did not.
You heard her say that the reason her parents finally found out was because the bill for the rape kit got sent to them.
Correct.
Did you do anything to verify whether that is true?
I did not.
Have you ever interviewed her parents?
I have not.
Did you notice in that interview on camera, her phone was right next to her during the interview?
Yeah.
Okay. And you did nothing to try to look at her phone on that day?
No, I did not.
All right. Are you aware? So one thing that's difficult about this is I have shared stuff with the prosecutors, but I don't know if it has been shared with you. She says in that interview, when asked sort of how this case has affected her, that she got psoriasis. Did you hear that?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware of a TikTok that I shared with the government about her psoriasis journey?
I am not.
Okay, I'm going to show you some exhibits. I lost my stickers. Your Honor, what number? Am I on number?
Technically 5.
Okay, that's what I had, but we were doing. Okay. My handy assistant, William Palmer, has redacted for me. I'm just doing the 3 that show. Okay. So I'm handing you what's been marked as defendants exhibits 5, 6, and 7. I understand that you likely haven't seen those, so if you'll look.
Your Honor, at this point in time, I'm going to object to this officer testifying about something he's just barely seen. I think that the state would agree to have those submitted to the court for its consideration of probable cause, but
That's fine. I don't need this person to testify about it. I'd ask that exhibits 5, 6, and 7 be admitted for the courts.
Any objection? Received and admitted. And I guess that you're drawing my attention to the fact that the alleged victim had psoriasis issues predating that the disclosure that it started because of this incident.
Yes, if you look, that's a TikTok about her psoriasis journey. The second one, which is marked defendant's exhibit number 6, shows evidence of psoriasis in 2024. And then exhibit 7 discusses that essentially her doctor noted that it's caused by stress and likely her triathlon training. It's a longer TikTok. Those are the three that I think are relevant for
The state
today.
has seen those, and the state would stipulate to that.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Your Honor, would also ask that those not become part of the record.
Yeah, I'll go through all the exhibits and talk about which ones will be part of the record.
That's fine.
And which ones will not.
I agree to that. That's fine. And then, as part of your investigation, did you become aware of a witness who came forward and has alleged that the alleged victim bragged about having sex with a BYU football player?
Objection, Your Honor. That witness is not here. Now we're getting it third party.
I have an 1102 from that witness that will be admitted.
And we would agree to have that admitted, but there's no reason for this officer to be testifying about that.
Ms. Tangaro can ask if he's aware.
That's fine.
And
But
that's
beyond
what-
that.
That's what she asked.
Through the course of my investigation, I was not aware of,
You have not been made aware of a witness who has come forward and said that the alleged victim bragged about having sex?
yeah, after the investigation was complete.
Okay, so when you interviewed that person, what did that person say?
I didn't interview that person.
You have not interviewed that person?
No.
All right. So I need one more thing redacted, I think. I'll get this redacted.
Yes. You haven't redacted it.
I will. William will.
Okay.
Yeah. For degree. And Your Honor, that will be marked as Defendant's Exhibit Number 8. That is an 1102 statement by a witness, initials GC. As part of that exhibit, so GC reached out to me. GC was hanging out / dating the roommate best friend around this time. He left for summer cells mid-March. He said before leaving, the alleged victim bragged to him.
I'll read it in the.
Okay. And then I've attached as an exhibit, once he heard that Parker Kingston was arrested, he reached out to the former girlfriend with an inquiry, and then she took him, she basically blocked him on all social media.
Okay.
So that's all part of that exhibit.
Any objection to receiving that exhibit?
No, Your Honor. However, I would state for the court, for the record, that the state has a very different statement to make regarding that victim or that particular witness that will come at trial, not for the purpose of preliminary hearing.
Okay.
I'm going to hand you what's been marked as Defendant's Exhibit 4, which is the 1102 with KL Weekly that is redacted.
Thank you.
And then let me just check my notes and confer with my client.